The coin you have shown is a 2006 Lincoln Memorial cent, struck at the Denver Mint in the United States. This penny is part of the long-running Lincoln cent series, which began in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The obverse front design of the coin features a detailed profile portrait of President Abraham Lincoln facing right. This portrait was designed by Victor David Brenner, whose initials VDB appear on the reverse of the earliest 1909 issues. The 2006 cent continues to feature the same classic design that has been in use for nearly a century, making it a familiar and iconic piece of American coinage. The inscriptions on the obverse include "In God We Trust" along the upper rim, "Liberty" to the left of Lincoln's portrait, and the date 2006 followed by the mint mark D, indicating it was minted in Denver, Colorado. This coin is composed primarily of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper plating, a composition that has been used since 1982, after the U.S. Mint shifted away from solid bronze cents to reduce production costs. The coin has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters, a weight of 2.5 grams, and a smooth edge. Despite its small size, it carries significant symbolism. The Lincoln cent represents both American heritage and the enduring respect for the 16th president, whose leadership during the Civil War and efforts to end slavery made him one of the most revered figures in U.S. history. On the reverse side, not visible in this image, the 2006 Lincoln cent displays the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo, and first introduced in 1959 to mark the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The memorial design features an intricate image of the actual monument in Washington, D.C., and if examined closely, you can see a tiny representation of the seated statue of Lincoln inside the memorial, a fine detail symbolizing the unity and strength of the nation. Surrounding the image are the inscriptions "United States of America," "A pluribus unum," meaning out of many one, and the denomination 1 cent at the bottom. In terms of mintage, the 2006 Lincoln cent was produced in large numbers. Approximately 4.02 billion pieces were struck at the Denver Mint. Due to this high production volume, most 2006 cents are common and generally hold a face value of 1 cent in circulated condition. However, collectors often seek out coins in uncirculated or mint state condition, MS65 and above, which can have a modest premium value of around $0.10 to $1, depending on their luster, strike quality, and preservation. Exceptional specimens with flawless surfaces, designated MS68 red, RD, by grading services like PCGS or NGC, can be worth $10 to $25 or more, especially if they have strong eye appeal. There are a few varieties and mint errors that can make certain 2006 Lincoln cents more valuable. Notable examples include die cracks, cuds, misaligned dies, or off-center strikes. Some coins may also show signs of die doubling, known as a double die obverse or reverse, where parts of the inscriptions or design elements appear slightly doubled under magnification. Such errors can increase collector interest and raise the value depending on rarity and visibility. Additionally, some 2006 pennies have been found with unusual plating issues, where the copper layer appears uneven, giving them an odd tone or surface texture. These can also attract error coin collectors. From a historical perspective, the 2006 cent belongs to the final years of the Lincoln Memorial reverse design, which was replaced in 2010 with the Union Shield reverse, marking the end of a 50-year design era. Therefore, 2006 cents represent one of the last modern issues before this transition, symbolizing the closing chapter of the Lincoln Memorial series. In conclusion, your 2006 Lincoln Memorial cent is a modern, mass-produced coin that carries both historical and sentimental value. While it may not be rare in typical circulated condition, it remains a meaningful piece of American numismatic history, a small, enduring tribute to Abraham Lincoln and the ideals of unity, trust, and liberty that continue to define the United States. For collectors, finding one in pristine mint state, or with an unusual mint error, can make it a desirable addition to a Lincoln cent collection, especially when paired with earlier or transitional examples from the series.